you, Divine.
I know that.
Naniniwala ka ba doon, Sai? Eh, ganyan lang yan. Ano ba araw ngayon?
Sunday.
Bilog ang buwan. Ganyan yan eh. Love you down down and na 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 try to be cool la ra 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 ra. Ano ba yung sun? Oh! Ay, fake lang pala to.
Ate Mel.
Akala mo. Kuya, sa television. I thought it was real, ha? Capture the island per... experience.
CR lang ako, ha?
Rock and rock. Oh, sarap ng init.
Gutom na ako.
Gutom ka na? The food is already cooked.
No, wala pa.
Ate Mela, kaya mo yan. CR lang.
Almost. I mean, almost.
Ano yan?
Almost over.
What did they cook?
Pork and I chop onions.
Oh.
Sibuyas.
You
Saka,
know how to cook?
yes.
And what's your favorite?
You know, adobo?
Oo. Chicken?
Adobong aso, you eat that?
Ano aso ito?
Dog.
May picture ako kasama
The province, we eat that. Ano?
May picture ako kasama kayong dalawa.
Talaga? Saan?
Star Magic Ball.
Wow. Nice.
Oh. Grabe, hindi ako nalala. Joke lang.
Pero grabe, yung itsura nyo lahat, pang-artista. Totoo. O ano, parang lahat kayo gwapo, sa ganda, sa person mas ano ba?
Hindi ka init?
Ha?
Hindi ka init?
Medyo nailita lang ako. Maya-maya, I will remove. I don't wanna see my body. To everyone.
Susunin ka? Mamaya?
Later, bro. Or if we had a chance. If we hold on together. I love singing. You love singing? You like music? What kind?
I like lahat.
Lahat?
Pero not... I like System of a Down. Pero I don't like that
so you
much rock. Not that much.
Only for mood, I mean,
Yeah,
your mood.
depende.
Depende sa mood.
Pero mostly house music.
House music.
Because I like to dance.
I saw you dance.
Yeah.
You did the ballroom?
Did you like my outfit?
Just
I'm not babae at all. Hindi ka babae.
Galing, you're good in yung kebot ba? Galing kebot. Your body is, a wonderland. Your body is like worm.
Bawal yan.
Hindi ko na.
What?
Yung napanood mo, hindi pwede pagkasama.
Okay ba yun? I-edit na ni Kuya. Specific.
Wala, kuya, oh. Natulog ka daw dyan.
That's a joke. Only joke, Kuya. Joke lang yun, ha?
So smart. I'm gonna do that.
Tulog dyan.
Did you bring a pillow? Sa loob.
Pillow?
Nadala mo ang unan.
Oh. Wala. I sleep in the sofa. Ganito lang buhay nyo, everyday, no?
Oo.
Ganito lang.
Grabe, wala.
Parang chill lang, relax. Tapos maghintay ng tawag ni Kuya.
Oo. Then task.
Tas.
Pero, this week, wala. Like, konti lang ang task. So, bro. We got to meet a lot of artists this week.
John Lloyd.
Gao. John Lloyd. Grabe.
Pasok kayo si Samuel B. dito.
Madaming artistas ng season ito. Si Sanjo. Marami.
Uy, sasalamin lang ako.
Kinuha ko lang to.
Yeah.
Sabay ko.
She's the big winner. I'm third place.
And I remember watching the finals, the top four last.
You saw?
Grab it! Your reaction was priceless. It's amazing. Oh,
I can't imagine.
oh, but grabe. It's good. It's good.
Wait, so you had to do the thing. The Jason? You did
No.
that too?
Malay.
Nalay. Sino?
Siya yung kuha mo. Pinakaganon, stand.
Pero ikaw din.
Hindi siya.
Siya lang.
Dito lang yung may ano dyan, tas maluhulog ka. Ganon lang, bilog na ganon kalit. Parang plato lang yung ganon mo.
Pero sino pa? Si Melay, si...
Tibo. Sino pa nga?
Paul J.
Paul Jake. Tatlo sila. Una nahulog si Paul Jake, sunod si Tibo, tas siya. Galing niya eh. Galing naman. Congrats, idol. Tinotono mo?
He is my trainer. Di ako marunong.
Trainer.
Kunyari lang yun.
I-feel mo lang, huwag yung magkanta ka.
Divine.
Ano magandang song?
Grabe, it's so tight.
You are so beautiful to me.
In it, ito.
Can't you see?
Okay. Oh, in it, ito. And I'm gonna take this off na.
Ba't kasi nakaganyan?
Ha? Ano?
Para yung dugo, di mo ba?
Oo, kasi nag-ano pa rin. Dudugo pa.
Yes, it. Kaya na.
Kami dati, walang ganito. Ba't may ganito kayo?
No.
Talaga?
No matter what happens,
Just also
stays
mental.
in Las Vegas.
Guys, special ha, kuya.
Looban ng unang week.
What?
Kami sa looban ng unang week.
Oh. To the honor. Parang cutting the ribbon lang. Is it okay now?
It's really tight. Grabe.
Gusto ba yung laman?
Oh, yeah. That's why Kuya made me make it really
How's
tight.
that? It's very deep, no?
Hindi ko na, basta it hasn't stopped bleeding.
Keep bleeding. Keep bleeding. May tinalupan pa.
Oo, pamo naman.
Pamo, umurain yan ha, ikaw ha.
Sorry naman.
Gusto mo yung patatas, Jason?
Yes, bro. I will get some knife. Knife, just like a knife.
Ganyan, cute lang. Kailangan mo pa ng
Cute,
plato.
okay. Na na. Uncomplete.
Okay ka?
I'm very okay. You want to help?
No, wait. You can handle this.
Oo, the guys
Just
can
sit
handle
there,
this.
you princess.
Anong nangyari?
No matter what happens, stays in Vegas.
Oh, sabi mo yan kanina. Bakit?
Because you're very good in knifing.
Garlic.
Sobrang malakas na.
Mahina na.
Pinakamahina na. Kulang wala pa tayong onions.
Malapit na yan. Teka, pa-brown muna natin ang konti.
Brown na yun eh.
Hindi, dahil lang isa ako.
Ikaw din ko ako, bro.
Galing. Two years na nila. Sila. 2 years na. Sila.
Ayun naman.
Ang cute. Cute na sila. Push.